Okay, so I've just written about it. I want to spend a few minutes talking about it. IMS, dry needle acupuncture. I consider them the same thing. For many years, I even wrote a blog about how dry needling is different than acupuncture. I've learned a lot since then, and I don't think I could have been farther from the truth. So, when we're thinking of dry needling, the insertion of needles into the skin, I really believe that it's something we should be leaving at the door. It's got lots of theatrical placebo. It's weird. It's unique. It does seem to do things. But there's the problem. It seems to make change. And anytime we do something that could potentially provoke fear, that they couldn't get anywhere else, that it takes a long time, there's going to be some meaning effect or meaning response to that. And that's often an argument to continue to do something. But really, if something is only as good as a placebo, why bother using it? Why not use contextual factors? Why not use reassurance? Why not act professionally, show empathy? Those things that cost nothing, that are not invasive, and won't rely on you fixing your patient. So again, anecdotally, it seems like these things work, but when we look at the research and what's potentially occurring, I think we'd be far better off leaving these things, in the cupboards. Get better at dealing with people through empathy, through talking to them, through listening, through providing plans that they can take action on, following up, being a partner in their journey, not just someone that gives them a few needles and then pays lip service to some of the other things. Even if they want it, we can be strong advocates for science-based medicine. We can listen to research and we can find other ways to do these things. The answers are out there. It just takes work. I think we're lazy when we think there are not answers to people's solutions. I don't get it right all the time. I get it wrong, and I'm willing to admit that, and I want to grow, and I think a lot of us can do that with dry needling. So there's a little rant on dry needling. Read the blog. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.